All right, so bleeding of your C9, C10, Tufflift EAE hoists. First off, if you come a little bit closer, we want to make sure that the hoist is up on hydraulic pressure and not sitting on your locks. So if you have a look in the back here, you'll see that we are below the first lock, so that when I crack air out of the cylinder, it's not going to land on the lock. We want it to purge all of the air out and land back on the hydraulic oil. So it's simple as 5mm Allen key. Up on top, you have a little bleeder screw, and it's just like doing brakes on a car. Crack the Allen head open, air comes out, the hoist slowly creeps down, and then the moment oil starts to come out, shut it up again. Easy as that. And you just want to repeat that on both cylinders.